come and grind this egusi soup with pounded yam. You understand? I have follow up with him, man. Share this video, guys. Now you might follow up with him. I have to governor. Senator Monday Okpawolo, I greet you. That's Kata Media. Senator Monday Okpawolo, hello. Come shop for the yam. Oyaba. Arema. Oyaba, Mogi. You know the song? My leader, hello. My leader. Garema. I will hear you. Wonderful. Although Nigeria government, no fit kill me. Before now kill me, make I shop. Wonderful. Come on, join me shop. Don't use Nigeria government. Don't kill yourself by yourself. Hey, with the show. APC 20 billion, 60 billion, 100 billion, 600 billion. Let me take it again. APC 20 comment 600 tozo. Est-ce que c'est ça? Comment j'aime ça? Plus ça. You also know you are not there. Take this one. Hold on. I got on the hungry. I also eat this kind of food before you can go to read that budget, 2025 budget. If you don't make a mistake, if I feel it done, as me and get budget already, now me I feel it first. My fellow Nigeria, my fellow Edo people, you have to wait. Let me finish eating. So I read the budget. I can use them just to read budget to people. Ah, my God. She need the money. OKPAMEN. Ah. Money OKPAMEN. I get to. Your Excellency, sir. Come on, Jimmy, sir. Your Highness, sir. This soup is soapy. Your Excellency, sir. This is Saturday Avenue, Paradiam. Cow leg with Momo. Your Excellency, sir. Nigeria. Yeah. Please share this video. That part of people that come because that part of the makeup. This is what color this first. I know. Hello? That's good. My phone has to do live video. We call it now. I did live video. Oh yeah, ma. Okay, no, voilà. Ciao, ciao. Your Excellency, sir. Let me come water for here and drink. Please share this video. We have video to play. I'm going to play to the general public to listen. Our honorable governor. Senator OKPAMEN to read the 2022-2025 Edo State budget for us. You understand? Who are my lovely Edo people. I better not share this video, don't be out of hatred though. Yes. People talk to people understand. Yes. Yes, what? That's what this food is. I have food to the side. Bravo. I can turn a root for national peace today. Because if our excellency was drinking roots, if you know the tap root of Edo States to handle, it's not a government that drink roots. That's the reason why he doesn't know the tap root to Edo States. Your excellency, sir, with my national cap on my head, man. The budget of 2025 that you just read yesterday, we're about to read it for the general public. As a media man, because your media team, shame and disgrace, couldn't let you to read that budget. So we don't belong to the APC, we don't belong to the PDP, we are the AMP. We are all over because why? We are Edo State. You understand? We are sons and daughters of Edo State. So when we see any mistakes from Edo State, whether you're from APC or you're from PDP, we will say it how the way it is. Your Excellency, it's going to be a very big slap to Edo State, as big as Edo State, that we have an illiterate as a governor. You do respect, sir? If I were you, I would drop my resignation letter immediately, so that you will not be bringing shame and disgrace to your entire family. You understand? Your Excellency, they will think it is fun. It's not fun. It's reality. It's better you resign as a governor of Edo State. You don't sit down for the city even in 1 month, because the biggest shame and disgrace where you wear the Edo State, it is too big. A lot of people will keep quiet. They don't want to say it because they don't want to die. We have seen that your governor is a governor of Agbeu. All the Agbeu that was sleeping, you have waked them up. You understand? Now look at the shame and disgrace you give to Edo State. As a whole governor of Edo State cannot read. A whole governor cannot compose a simple sentence. It's a big shame. I was expecting this. I know you have been running from interview all these years during your campaign. You refuse to come out to sit for interview because you can't speak. Oh God. 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 I cannot imagine Edo State having an illiterate as a governor who cannot read and that writes. To construct a simple sentence is a very, very big shame and disgrace to Edo State at large. Not just only you as a governor, but the entire sons and daughters of indigents of Edo State. Listen. Share this video. Now we'll talk truth. Now the fear. Truth don't want to talk on the fear. Which one we go fair play now? Let me fair play your own first.
The Edo State 2025 appropriation bill of 6 billion 650.
Okay, wait. Me, I can't be baron, papa. Okay, just wait. The man will say, "Morocco, we are carrying with the team now." Okay, wait, just wait. Governor, wait, just wait. Just hold on. Mr. Governor, hold on. Which school this governor go? He work at primary school. I've been primary school. This governor. What is not right? I call that part of hell. Not change your hand. Your Excellency, sir, continue. I want you to read the. Okay, this one is writing. Please, who is there? Share this video first. Governor, hold on. Governor, hold on. You do the rush. Not say you know book, you the rush. Huh? You don't know anything, you know. Where my key? Tell us, may you go may you go adult school. You know sabi read that right, you blind oh. You wear big agbada under dignity, you know sabi. Now when you sabi read that right and speak good English, now it make you complete person. Go adult school. Okay, go adult school if you want to continue that with that seat. Because many years of gas, you go spoil many mic. Even the mic where you talk for it. Gas spoil mic, gas spoil mic spoil. Microphone can't spoil. Yo, microphone spoil. You know sabi read that right, you blind oga. You wear big, you wear not suit under dignity, you know sabi. Oga wear suit go government house. Wahala for suit wo. Wahala for suit wo.
You know why interest me?
Wahala for suit. Wahala for suit. Yes, sir. Please, sir, just sit down, sir. Let us read your 2025 budget. I don't say budget. Okay, now let's go there. Please, ladies and gentlemen, please let's sit down. Hold on with your barrel and paper. Let us calculate with our brother who could not read. He's the governor. I don't understand. As you go school, you not go sit down by yourself. You can't put illiterate. I'm waiting you on Edo State. I live up for that. Now God go answer. Now God Almighty go answer. If waiting to do Edo State say na right thing. If waiting to do Edo State say na right thing, God go answer. Now wanna see wetin they give Edo State. Wanna see wetin APC give Edo State. APC wanna see wetin they give Edo State. Yeah, APC handwork.
The Edo State 2025 appropriation bill.
Appropriation bill.
6 billion.
6 billion.
605 billion.
Oga, wait, 605 billion.
76
Oga, I don't understand you. 6 billion. 605 billion again. No, be 665 billion. 6 billion. 600. Oh, yeah, Oga, continue.
76. Let me take it again.
Oh.
506 billion.
Okay, 506 billion.
605 billion, sorry.
Oh. Oga, stay one place now.
100.
Oga, what is your problem? Stay one place now. How you dey disturb my. Now, when I take by this barrel and paper, you dey wait, they cancel. Oga, come again. May you stay one place, I beg. Oga.
The Edo State 2025 appropriation bill.
Okay.
6 billion.
Okay, 6 billion.
605 billion.
605 billion.
76 million.
76 million.
76. Let me take it again. 506 billion.
506 billion.
605 billion, sorry.
605. Oh, God.
76 billion. Sorry. It's confusing me.
It's confusing you. Governor, it's confusing you. Governor, it's confusing you.
Okay. 6.
Governor.
Sorry.
So read money they confuse you.
6.
Order in the house, please. Mr. Speaker must be held in silence, please.
Edo State. Parada, talk to me.
Our governor for Edo State don't bust out. He say a lot of people they say he don't know book.
Okay.
Say he don't know how to do things. Say so he won't give us the budget for 2025. How much Edo State won't spend for 2025? So now our governor he did the House of Rep to tell us how much he wants spend for 2025. So our governor, I beg, tell us how much he wants spend for 2025. I beg. You say now how much?
The Edo State 2025 appropriation bill.
Okay.
6 billion.
6 billion.
605 billion.
605 billion. That's 6 billion. 605 billion.
76 million.
76 million.
76. Let me take it again.
Take it again. Cool down.
6 billion.
Oh, 506 billion.
605 billion, sorry. 776 billion.
700.
Sorry.
That means sorry, even did the money. Sorry, did the money. Now it's confusing. Guys, it's confusing. It's the money.
The money confusing.
6.
Fast.
The money will confuse.
For the wait. 6.
Order you have, please. Mr. Peter must be heard in silence, please.
Yes. Hello.
605 billion.
605 billion.
And details of the budget.
And details of the budget. I can billions now. I can billions. They end your money when you want to use for budget. Don't say thank you. You dey see, you dey see somebody where they remove put. Oshomole. You dey see who you bring on. Akpabio promise. Akpabio read money. Now I confused. Now I say this money is too much. This one say. The money is confusing me. People were supposed to do Agbero work along.
God bless you. Governor.
APC waiting Nigeria do now. Senate President Odoyo. Edo State Governor
Odoyo.
Madiga. Bukari. To come money. Only you want to write budget to.
What do you write? No feel it down.
That means no Shomole ever write this thing now.
Okay.
And Shomole no ever realize you say, oh boy, I like this so. Now even sorry they take money. Then billions they end money. No kobo, no naira, no thousand. Governor. When they tell me so you don't go school, I'm saying I play.
Okay.
Listen, I'm waiting. This is a disgrace. Nigeria is not made they go front. If they go back. See governor of a full state. We get how many million people?
Yeah.
Those state population will get 4.something million. You know, they not even bring person will get brain. They go bring
4.777 million population.
Waiting on to 2025. And some of them say anybody can make the mistake. Not anybody can make the mistake.
Those state population.
If now so the teacher where they teach you will make the mistake.
See the
as far as you want to lead people over 4.something million people, your brain supposed spark. Your brain supposed they way. When they tell me say the guy no do your sister facing a lie until I can see and even sorry they money and billions they end Nigerian money. No thousand, no naira,
no kobo,
no 100, no kobo. I'm not going. Back bijoué, back bera.
Hey, wait to Albert. What you want to talk about this thing? Albert, what you see to talk about? Talk with. About they laugh. About Thomas, you're laughing. About talk good for this pattern. About not. Yeah, you go there.
Since and details of the budget proposal for your consideration and approval. Thank you for your kind consideration.
Okay, I'm going to About try de là.
He give up. Oh, no, give up. There is difference between a prepared governor and a waka governor.
Okay.
You know, this is not to waka from street to street, to go from primary school to primary school. It's not to waka for street with this. Why they don't carry all those hype men enter inside the house? Maybe they call hype man. Maybe they call him Messiah. You could not present the state budget before the House of Assembly. You could not communicate what is in the budget to the members for scrutiny. I am very sure 100% of Bebelo does not know what is in that budget. Now there's a society, the SSG,
Filishaibu. I doubt if Dennis go there, they select the deco. I doubt they know what he did that budget. And trust me, we are going to get details on that budget. We are going to analyze every lines in that budget. This is the highest where Edo does see so far. Over 600 billion. Over 600 billion. IJR Edokpayi. Agbero will return back to street. The state can no longer generate good money. They are not even attracting anything. They are not attracting.
Hello.
About with the snack.
I greet you. The phone, this speaker. I did live video.
I dey watch you, my brother. It don't look like joke, it look like laugh. But in the response, my brother, you know they joke.
Now serious thing now. This one is serious. This one a big slap at those state now.
Yeah, exactly. Now serious matter to we Edo people. But we just they look at like form of joke. We just they see her as fun. We are laughing over it. Somebody will just bring paper now say may sign say na 100 million. They want whereas na 100 billion. Now they want stand for Edo State head. This man go just put his signature. You don't know what he did there.
Can you just imagine?
You see people where see APC primary, about 29 people now contest primary. Inside that 29, professors were inside. Where educated people was in the primary. They went and bring the list of all to Edo people. If now one still rig election for those people who say now one select to now go, now still select better person give us. This one will just set Benin off without unknowing to God, man. I just look at my brother, I shake my head. Man. The thing they touch me for inside my mind. I don't know.
APC followers, so you're gonna call. We're gonna call defending the governor. This time around now go disgrace now. Make una call the call now. They defend this nonsense when a governor do so. Because if now, what do they call this man Obaseki just now? Hey, somebody call him. What's it?
Papa with the smile, it didn't surprise me. I not like you. Since yesterday, I tire like do. See now, this one be our governor. As with the intelligent preach, as a do sharp preach.
Jesus is Lord.
Governor not fit pronounce budget where he say now you present the budget to you not fit pronounce. Now some people now go your bring paper come for you say sign now 100,000 now 100 million. Who want get the battle yo? Who want sign? They will just sign for our money they go. Well, Salobo well. Oshomole which is there yamu God go really if na good thing na do to Edo State God they look na. God they look na if na the right thing na do to us. Salobo wa. Thank you, my brother. The thing is first, I just say, I have my mind here.
God bless you. This is not really shocking thing.
No, mind them. No, we are not minding your governor now. So who want mind your governor now? You could not present budget.
About come on.
It's the budget they confuse them. It's the budget they confuse them. As in, you don't know what they write for the budget, the paper they confuse them. You don't know what they did. So tell you what people where you want to hire. Now season of making money for politicians. They first come with first opportunity where someone they come. Obaseki come and block them. Now they are back. It's their season to cash out. On that all get low. Now when they bring up will they say, this one will let us use. Budget, you know, we present. Make when I watch the video again, then watch at the end. Make you see the difference between Obaseki and Okpebolo. And the person went for fit do do better than Obaseki. It's as well with that. But INEC and Tinubu not agree. Watch the video. Okpebolo said the budget when you go play to House of Assembly today, they confuse her. He said the budget they confuse her. Now when they say one don't gas, Baba don't feel read what he carry come. And then they come say make all the camera, maybe they off camera, they come begin to 6 people camera, pressmen camera to make sure say none of the pressmen leaked the video, but we're still able to get this one, and we'll still go after many of it. We'll still get more. Hey, this is disheartening. This is sad.
William, sorry, it's confusing me.
It's confusing me.
Okay, since silence, please. $605 million and details of the budget proposal for your consideration and approval. Thank you for your kind consideration.
What is the outlook for 2023? We have formulated our 2023 Edo State appropriation at a time of major instability and downward slump in the global and domestic economy. The gradual but steady recovery from COVID-19 induced economic crisis has been countered by global energy crisis, high inflation, and the consequences of the Russian invasion of Ukraine. As a result, the International Monetary Fund, IMF, and the World Bank have projected the global economy to grow by 2.7% and 3% respectively in 2023, which is a sizable decline from the 6% growth that we experienced in 2021. Domestic inflation, which started during the COVID-19 period, climbed from 20.5% in August 2022, averaging 17.6% year to September 2022.
You see, now see life. When I see person wey go school, when I see Obaseki dey speak, when I see Obaseki dey speak, abi?
Food
and I see Okpebolo dey speak.
inflation rate was much.
But then Agbon, see no governor. And the past governor be that one.
State 2025 appropriation bill of 605 billion 76 million 76. Let me take it again. 506 billion 605 billion, sorry, 776 billion. Sorry, it's confusing me.
Oh, he's confusing him.
Okay, six.
Order you have, please. Mr. Peter must be held in silence, please.
The governor of his state does not know how to read or write. What a shame. What a big slap to those people home and abroad. It's a very big pity to those home and abroad. Say you can generate a governor who does not know how to read. I'm sorry for Edo people, Sha. Sorry. Very sorry. For Edo at large, as big population where Edo state gets, the governor where they get don't know how to read. Now illiterate they get as governor. Not being insult. You guys can see it. He has just proven himself. There is a very, very sack illiterate that cannot read ordinary alphabet. Even my own son will feel read them. 656 billion, 700 something million, something thousands, and something hundred or kobo. Simple. It can be 60 billion, 56 billion, 700 something million. God. Chai. Governor. A governor of a state. If to say na told in the put for this place, it better pass. Oh, what must I say? Not be lie. To say na Mr. Tony Kabaka, our governor, if for just better pass. For you know say na told in there. Ma wa highway Tony Kabaka, why governor Imao? Or I give my wife woman abroad. Or made any mistake by ya with me. We go use another body. Okay, if you don't feel read that for English, read that for Eshalan. I said no only 60 billion. He said now he will now 60 million. Edo State governor. Who have done this to Edo State? I said this thing you can pay. None of you guys listen to me. Yes, now. None of them listening. When I come on, you guys use the anger you have for Shomule, for Obaseki, against Aswen Godaro. Oh, no, why against me? Why I hate Obaseki? Why using Aswen because Obaseki Makwena take over those states. That was the anger name on the Buga Army. You understand? Now, I believe the way the state is, the state are now. You guys are really happy. I see the joys in you guys. I see the joy in you guys' face. Because now we. Now come and governor. Now we. Some people will never step their foot enter government house or Sadebe Avenue. Throughout the tenure of Obaseki. Today now, they don't sit down for government house. They don't sit down for government house. They don't die the one with governor. Well, it is well. Let's just say, let's keep bearing it. We will keep bearing. 4 years still long go. 4 years, not before days. Not go play. But there are bona. You see the big shame and disgrace. Where Senator Molly. Who put you for senator? How you first enter there? Why don't you sit down? But now what did Bisha? If to say this modest Okpeburu, say na PDP in day, there is no way if they win. But what should they call him? What they win? Assume Godaro. If I say the APC. You understand? Oshobole for use man finish am from A to Z. Oshobole go use man this this man. Whether when this man picking stroke hold on for months, I don't know why he marked the bend 6 billion, 6 million. How can a sitting governor? He doesn't know how to read. Sitting governor, you cannot read fluently. The right alphabet for you to read, you don't read. You will compare. Instead of you to go adult school, then you go learn how to read and write. It's very, very important as a governor. If they just bring paper for you and say, sign, maybe if I take by everybody for those states, you go just sign because you don't know how to read. Hello? Hello, we are hearing you loud and clear.
Hello.
I greet you, bros.
Yeah, I greet you. Baba with a smile. Hello.
I must greet you.
Yeah, I just watch you now about this governor matter. You know.
Yeah.
We cast media since yesterday the country.
Yeah.
Look with this governor say he won't prove the previous government.
Yeah.
Okay, if you don't feel it, the number, how do you want to prove previous government? You want prove previous government, and under this is not feel it. How do you want to prove money when you not even feel it? I don't understand though. Because if you want to prove, you have to understand numbers.
What's that do?
Because this man now not understand numbers. And you won't prove money with they spend for previous government. So, Baba with the smile, tell me, how do you see this matter?
The matter that we kill.
Person won't prove. You don't understand that number. You don't feel it ordinary number. And you won't prove money with they spend for previous government. Baba with the smile, now wow.
You think tire me?
You think get the way it be. Hey God. This man not go sign a do state through. Anyway, I just ask that question, make everybody say, even if he prove, now nobody go believe he prove. Nobody go believe he prove if he prove.
Of
because
course. He cannot read.
Ordinary read not really that you won't prove person. Anyway, Baba with this man, greet you. Carry on, my brother.
What's up? You know the one with the verse before these people. You see all these APC noise maker media presenters. They all kept quiet. They saw these videos since yesterday flying on social media. They kept mute. They never talk about it. Let's assume an opposition video leak like this. They go to place some for their platform. They use on the do brokers. All those animals like Olakoko, we know how to place people video, they play, they talk. They invite animals, they call it platform, they call it talk. Platform for adulterers. You understand? Platform they use the wife. They're going to talk with a platform where you put the fucking wife for his house, for his bedroom. You scream yard, cover the back. You see the shame and disgrace when your governor carry come give those people. All those noise makers, all those ex-prostitutes who said they can pay for Okpebulu. Now, straight to one of our sister. Yes, and because of this man, now go make me talk to you. One of our sister, one of our superstar. I for now just talk to her. For beyond just let her do her thing. She go for that woman trap. But let me use her and talk to her straight down. Lady of Song, Mrs. Esther Ebagua. I saw you with Anita Chamber of Oori of Canada. Where they find how you go to the friend this man. When I sit down, these are the people where they feel say they do Shubule back. Since yesterday, I don't do like say you don't see waiting the shame and disgrace will enter APC body now. You know, see, they don't talk about them. Because I'm big shame this one. Madam Esther Edokpayi, Lady of Song. This one are very advice to you as my sister. Nobody do tell person who go follow, do friend. You are a star, you are a musician. You see that woman you did with yesterday. Stay away from that woman. If you like your career. Or we buy a boss one day. Or those who have ears, let them hear. Anita Chamber of Truth is an influence of demonic. It's an influence of setback. The one way Kokobiri wife do you, that one is small. You see Anita Chamber of Truth. When you know Anita Chamber of Truth, you go to say Kokobiri wife, na angel for where Anita be. Okay, ebagua go on. You might only time wo. Yes, I don't want to call you for his ass, tell you this word. I want to talk for live video, make everybody hear. Because if he says, now the whole world go see here. You see that Anita, you see so. Go watch parts of my video. If you doubt me, I'll call your ex-boyfriend as I did this line, so make it talk a story for you. Not good story again. In New York, thank God when you posted the pictures. Go watch your comment section. Esther, you go scroll down to your comment section. When you post you an Anita Chamber of Oori of Canada, There's a lady that comment there. Go listen to that comment. That woman, where you there with so we want the form musician want sing. You know, me, a woman. Only you Canada carry do away here. Well, look, my sister. Titi na give you. My know the go see one, listen one. A man so run, not temu, no see work no temu, no see makoto as the game see the game ni car, chenical. We there got touch about of truth. O kuna lenano. Ik be here o. O itali ni wa na here o. O kuna e ma no le what say. Go and ask. Ogbe here you say. Here, you don't like the very live video. Down on me. Nagu. Or you know, so why? Now, live video they talking, so they're talking for your back. You go, see this video. Now, a social media in my this social media won't do so. You tell me, I tell you. You'll be like, oh, this small that time. You word me. Come on here. See your head. Your big belly like a sabori soundboard. You know those kind of words the word was said that time we did Naija. Once we talking about they don't finish for that. Tomorrow we see afa mangbare se manza some vese. Why you hear guy you hear. The sankima go fit ogbi. Yeah you akwaga. All those things we they do on those years for that. So you see this Facebook so me I take like all those kind of words the word was said that year. But you see this some people for this media they take and pass that length to the end they go shrine. I have picture on your webo. I have one you go can assassin here. Is show me who are those women? Anita Chamber of Truth. Do we work guaro no there? Why you say one? You understand? I love no kwa. Understand me now? I'm not a or sequene or you Esther edokpayi. You're going to use brain follow that woman. Where I see you with yesterday. And they form all this kind of music. I say no song, man. I don't know your group. You know, try not do under your group or my group. To dig you. I get one was Sunni, who are Sunni. Everyone not by. Go mark with this way at so. Everyone not by. No more Davido, no official Davido. Everyone not because they go a man. You want a woman like her. She's a bad woman. You want a woman like her. People, they know who good, they know who not good. You understand? That's the truth. A woman like Anita. Anita is a bad woman. Ware Canada na no hono. Call on to order Anita. Mo video Frank you know we are tired make na ho Frank ogun na. O ma we ogun menwa ogun na. Thank God you are in Canada now. Put up for your phone. Call Anita Chamber for Ogi. We no total. Genu menwa time ata na o ya de. No we was nunu wa menwa. Amwe mata wa gi menwa. Wo ya o Italy. What can boy no man no matter Italy. A boy no say good do to Nigeria. What can Italy? No, a boy will aro Nigeria. No, a boy mo ni ado robo. No, Esther with no Nita. E mo no bia wa wo no sad. A pastor ka wa kian boy ka pastor a preacher. No ta. What? When they come use a brain, my sister. They will not get yane. Never you boy asin we. Or not do you. So nobody give us sima. Or not do your figment. Then your boss you got no for. You do my fair. No one no give my ma. Or give money. In Jesus' name, amen. Any agbo government, any agbo governor, a governor neg what he be. A governor wow. A governor my go my con. Ni adomu ni wiado ni ya de shema disgrace gedo e shema disgrace wa la yan gbe o kema ri no gbe ri no support governor no ma no ye ko gi wiado ye de mosi adona ga he ni onye an so ma I do me governor bambi ala abu yedo state no do ari ko gedo e ku ola wa gbe e ku ola wa gbe we e ku ola wa bota to wa asun we de agbe wa asun we abe yore. That is a big shape to Edo state at large. Our own monarch Area Dohia, O Salobo Bogiva, is an educated man, a PhD holder. A PhD holder. Talking about traditional ruler, the king of Baelway, no Gidigad is second. Oba no Bonekwa, Oye Kene Madoyo. No, you take the Gesoma. Or the other I'm with. It's a PhD holder. Oh, yes, school na you. Oh, yes, school can I school say, oh, yes, school say. He's the king of Edo State. A governor is sack illiterate. A governor set it yebe. A governor cannot read. Can you imagine the concombility? The big slap to Edo people? Our own governor cannot read? For House of Assembly? This one a big shame. Let me wait till they want to hear for a year. And you think it is funny? You think it is funny? Even our traditional rulers, chiefs, our enogies, they are educated men. They can address, they can represent anywhere. Go out there and check for our Agbeu, our touts boys. They are all educated men. Many of them there. Many of those guys you see, we call them Agbeu. In a year school. Now based on job, not day. No opportunity of job. Turn them to become a bus driver. They will all pick somebody who cannot read, who you never even verify. You never get a certificate. May he become governor of Edo State. Just because he's so loyal. He embraced Godfatherism. Because he want to pay loyalty to Godfatherism. Una put them for there, because they extract the money of Edo State. Then he's rich on herself. And that's what is going on. Because these are boys to Osagie Ize Yamu and Ostromole. Not we'll tell you guys the truth. How can you write out something you can't read? How is that possible? How is that possible? That means you cannot spell budget. You cannot spell budget of 2025. Okay, they wrote it for you to come and read in the press, to come read that out. So before they read that for you, don't go memorize them. I can remember those days when we sit in school, when they go quiz competition. A miss school, let's say, they will just say, okay, it's a father and mother, which one is better? So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Upon accurate timekeeper, code the better. And my audience at home. My name is so personally like this. I am here to oppose the motion which say father are more better than mother. Mother are the best because it put me in my womb. This people does not, they cannot, on normal ground, they cannot say this. It was written by their teacher. They will go home and memorize it. Memorize your own, put it in your head. When it's time for you to bring out your own poem, you give it out. Now, the right budget for you say, oh, go read them. If you reach there, read the budget. Maybe now show me read them write them for you. If you don't understand the spelling, you know go ask and say, oh, show Baba, my leader, what do you write here? Me, I cannot understand this place, yo. This is a 2025 budget of Edo State. 665 billion 789 million 67,246,510 naira 26 kobo. Go read like that. Oh yeah, they talk about, yeah, those they talk and they go house. As today said that in-laws they go and they talk and they go, okay. 656 billion 778 million 213,000. Oh, I tell you, it's not funny. Frank, why you laugh? You go the reader they go. Put them for your brain. Put them on memory, they read they go ask. They're going out there to bring shame and disgrace to Edo State at large. As big as Edo State, Asian land. You know the kind of shame, you know people you bring shame to. You go give shame to go give some people. No any Edo man. We don't come read, we don't enter governor. collect this kind of shame. Collect this kind of shame. Apart from you, monicalobolobo. How can a city governor does not know how to read? Cannot pronounce alphabets. Numbers. You cannot pronounce numbers. 660 million. 60 billion. 660 billion. How many times they call billion? How many times they call billion? Look, just listen to yourself. How you go feel? They hear this news now, they go viral about you. How your children go feel? Your own children, when you born, how they go feel? Now, you don't already get cap. You don't get cap. They don't create cap for you. See? It is confusing me. The billions, they confuse you. They don't create cap for you. Governor of Edo State. You word when you talked to your mouth yesterday. They don't even create cap for you. It is confusing me. Akpakomiza. Negwati ebe. Akpakomiza. Negwati alphabets. Now we are governor of Edo State. Agrikpa anywhere ye. Where in my school, where you have a government house. It's not better you become a gatesman, Sadaba Avenue, than being a governor who cannot read. Somebody has to tell you guys the truth. And now, if we don't talk, I'm going to assassinate my family. Then I'll work with that one. I don't care. The truth will always prevail. We will continue telling you guys the truth. If you do well, we will praise you. If you do bad, we will talk up. I do my drink. You all are all fighting for your own pockets. You don't care about the people living in that state. You don't even care about the youth. Oh, Salobwa, Hepuasha. Oh, we can kind. It is confusing me. Right now, it's confusing me. It is confusing me. When I see what the governor is confusing me. My governor is confusing me. It's confusing me. It's confusing me. It's confusing me. I got on tired. It's confusing me. But I want me. I want to cry again. I don't want to cry again. It's confusing me right now. It's confusing me. 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 You're confusing me right now. You're confusing me. Oh God. Governor confusing me. Confusing me, governor. Confusing me. Oh. No sir, what I know, sir, my chelare. No sir. No sir, when I hear confusing me. It's confusing me. Oh, upsetting me. Oh, why the governor of those states? It's confusing me. 60 billion, 65 million, 60 billion, 65 million, 60 billion, 65 billion, 67,000. It's confusing me. Oh, Senator Beboro, Wanako. Beboro, Governor Beboro, no. Your Excellency, my governor, share my disgrace here now. Governor Beboro, share my disgrace now. Governor Beboro, no, share my disgrace here now. Right now, right away, he's confusing me. He's confusing me. 60 billion, 65 billion, 60 billion, no, he's confusing me. Oh, governor, governor just take it back way. Governor just take it, he walk back way. Mother Beboro one now, he went back way, Neko. Mother Beboro back way. Egwate, Mother Beboro back way. Right now, right away, it's confusing me. Brother is confusing me. Sister is confusing me. This money too big, oh, he's confusing me. I cannot pronounce this alphabet. Brother is confusing me. 65 billion, 61 million, 1,700 billion. Come, let me take it again. Let me take it. It's confusing me. It's confusing me. 65 billion, 60 million. Okay, let me take it again. 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 It's confusing me. It's confusing me. It's confusing me. It's confusing me. Akpakomiza namure. Akpakomiza yedo. Akpakomiza sedore. Akpakomiza sedo. Egwate egwagbe. Owe governor negwate yinko. It's confusing me. It's confusing me. It's confusing me. Okpeworo, you are confusing me. Okpeworo, you are confusing me. Mother Okpeworo, no. Brother, you are confusing me. APC wado. APC do. APC do is confusing me. APC do is confusing me. APC do is confusing me. Akpakomiza noga, you are confusing me. Wala for Edo State to Jesus, a governor that cannot read the budget of 2025. Wala, you are confusing me. Governor Okpewolo, you are confusing me. You are not hearing me. Governor, you are confusing me. You are not hearing me. Go to adult school. Governor Okpewolo, listen. You no sabi read that right. You blind oh. You wear big agbada under dignity. You not complete. Now when you sabi read that right and speak good English, now it make you complete person. Okay, hear that English? Hear that song? Go and learn how to read and write. It's not too late. You can have a home teacher who will be teaching you, lecturing you. Create a time for your home teacher to be teaching you in your house. In your house, yes, create a home teacher. Then try as much as possible to learn how to speak English. You have a phone. You can also go to YouTube, Facebook, and learn how to speak English. Learn how to speak English. Type it on YouTube. Learn how to speak simple and correct English. Go to YouTube and type it on YouTube. You can learn through there. If you feel me, so go learn, bro. Not be lie. Because why? People like you supposed to use leg past Libya come abroad. People like you supposed to use leg past Libya come abroad. Because many of us will pass that Libya come abroad. Some of them will go school well. Now opportunity will not get. You understand? Some of them after schools, no level men to start the hustle. They do work corrector, they do bus driver, they do bike riders. You understand me? So now when you get the opportunity, you will not go to school. They go put in there because now they loyal to governor, now they loyal to former governor, they loyal to House of Assembly members. They just put it, they push it, they go, they push it. Now plenty like that too. Especially for this your regime. This your regime is a regime of illiteracy. Now more, now I give that name. A regime of illiteracy. Now be this your regime. The regime of illiteracy. Then they call you Waka Waka governor. Me not call you Waka Waka governor because why? You are a man. You need to work hard. You need to go and be working. To go and expect something. Working as a governor, Waka Waka, you na the right thing and the right thing to do be done as a governor. You need to Waka. But the major name that fits your politics, your rule, your regime are illiteracy. Or you see a lot of illiteracy around you. A lot of abuse that's around you. People who are not supposed to have a post, who you don't give post to. Will they see all of them? Well, I pray may God help us. They continue doing their work diligently. Like the one with this guy do, Ebo Stone and his squad. And none of the name of their squad for Third Junction. I saw what they did. The Third Junction, that was a nice one from Ebo Stone. Yes. If you do anything good, I will talk on. If you do anything not good, I will say talk on. Keep it up. Don't play. Hey, boy, watch your back with the look now. Any things we not clear, any mistake we not clear, we do here. We'll talk on. We see the one way good, we will see prisoner. People have more energy, more strength to do more. So, Oga, you need to go school. It's very important. Because this bomb will you drop. So you drop a massive bomb. And time bomb now you drop for Edo State too. Big shame and disgrace now you give Edo people. And don't believe me, Any adult man and adult woman where they happy with you because they feed from you, they be idiots. They don't open I tell you the truth. Bro, though you be governor, and for your children, no, not from you. No level. If me so, they do the thing where the thing clear. Because if we not doing well, we not even run and take our life by ourselves. Yes, now. People where they say that they would regret why they pass that country come. Because they want to use that country anyhow like saying another house. Imagine your governor, York Sudan, that is they talk rubbish for live video, for public. You don't say you don't even know how to read it, you just cross now. I'm sorry, I'm not prepared for this for now. Let's take it up that day. Basta. As a governor, you say it and you move. You go to fool yourself. When you know so there are a lot of people that are watching you, you go to fool yourself. I wonder how your children how they will look like. Your small girl, how they will look like. You can't hide until they look there. Now, I probably not to read on the former governor daughter. I remember I cook beans. On the former governor daughter, and I probably not to read on how the bridge shame is going to give Edo State. And on the former governor daughter, Yama. This one a governor. They power right now. But like see people that they talk to people. See the way they talk. See people that disgrace us. Now you give us the disgrace, not Parada. Now you, governor, now you give us the disgrace, not Parada. Yama governor. Or because you better know how to talk. Nado. Imagine tout. All of them don't fly from abroad, they go to Nigeria, they want to collect post. Where we have graduates, intelligence goes, intelligence bangboski, the full ground, they not see opportunity. See the reason why that country no go better. A country of selection, not by election. I don't mind drink. If now country will be say election really happen, somebody like our excellency, Senator Okpeboro, she's not supposed to be a governor of Edo State. Yeah, sorry to say. I not say go verse now, but I'm not taking personal. In every nonsense, there's always a sense. Pick the sense inside and forget the nonsense. And I say be. Somebody like Modi Okpeboro does not even qualify to be a senator. Don't talk of being a governor. But what can we do? We don't come. Understand? You don't shook. But Oga, my advice to you as a governor of Edo State, have it in mind that Edo State gets a lot of intelligent men and women home and abroad. Understand? So please stop disgracing Edo people. Stop disgracing Edo homes and daughters in abroad, I beg. Hello, we are hearing you laugh and what?
12.
I greet you.
Well,
Alright, rest speak out. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Okay. No more speaker. Okay. Yeah, rest speaker.
Rona.
Yeah.
Rona.
Yeah, rest speaker. Go ahead.
Wabe, edo. Wabe na ola koko. Omalaje na ndo yuwe ya se be no sura ndo yuwe ya te no mie. Ola koko wona su wa gbosu we ni. Ola koko we me laje na ndo yuwe ya te no ikunu vie.
Oh wow. Wange ladian.
Nona sungu wa gbosu we mi keke men wa ya gbon wa gba kere wa gba kwikoni nona du we bie we mi
Ogele kia. Abo gele yin ala gbe la yi.
ogele kia keke be pastor wana yu wa bie we mi emi na mi wa do na mi wa mi no joba
Oh no we pastor
wa
man.
ku ye do ke wa kuye do ke wa kuya ke wa ko la wa we go. They go na who who worry. Why you are who you are be me. Ola koko na wish I no na how no display wa no e o na wa le mi na wa e na le let mi na ola ko na wa because he get the hate he mother the lack he only there na mother the lack only jollof rice mother the lack he only jollof rice na malaki so
now we Pastor Casey no
Casey no wa was ase wa me retwe. Oh yeah, all of them collect. They'll collect. Wait, it's a matter of time. Yeah, collect. When what again? Yeah, collect. The case no can collect. Because the case no can collect. O my mama who in me tani ya fe my mama who you can collect. O mana tete. Come baba.
Wow.
O mama baba
Our Excellency, Mr. Governor Monday, Senator OKPAMEN, the Akbakomiza, the only governor who cannot read and write in those states. You're highly welcome to Omewen Talk Show. I must greet you with better start. Sir, Your Excellency, go to adult school. I cannot tell you to go to KG class now. I cannot come and sit down with children in the class. You have to go to adult school or have a personal teachers in your house that will be teaching you how to read and write and speak correct English. Understand? And please, when you are speaking as a governor, count your words. Very important. Be relaxed. You feel so relaxed and count your words so that you will not make mistake. Because you are not only governing, you only staff inside that Osadebe Avenue. You are governing 4 point something, most about 5 million population in those states. So guys, we're supposed to do that one. You understand? You're supposed to know that. So please use your brain. It's very, very important. You use your brain. Don't play. They are your boy, yo. Or any kind of. Oh, the video is my page. I wish we have to upload the video. Is it Semi Oyewe? I upload it in Semi Oyewe. Yeah. Go to Semi Oyewe, you watch the video there. Where the governor nothing reads 2025 budgets. We can play them for you again. We can play them again. We're gonna see a governor. A governor might go TTB. Oh yeah, make we play Parada. No, Parada was with me pass. Mo play Parada. Oh yeah, watch Parada.
Our governor for Edo State don't bust out. He say a lot of people they say he don't know book. Say he don't know how to do things. Say so he won't give us the budget for 2025. How much Edo State won't spend for 2025. Okay. So now our governor he did the House of Rep to tell us how much he wants to spend for 2025. So our governor, I beg, tell us how much he wants to spend for 2025. I beg. You say now how much?
The Edo State 2025 appropriation bill.
Okay.
6 billion.
6 billion.
605 billion.
605 billion. That's 6 billion. 605 billion.
76 million.
76 million.
76. Let me take it again.
Take it again. Cool down.
6 billion.
Oh, 506 billion.
605 billion, sorry. 776 billion.
700. Sorry. That means sorry, who did the money? Sorry, did the money. Now you don't say it's confusing.
It's confusing me.
Okay.
It's confusing me.
Fast now. Read this thing for the wait. Since
Order you have, please. Mr. Peter must be in silence, please.
Yes. Hello.
605 billion.
605 billion.
And details of the budget.
And details of the budget. I can billions now. I can billions. They end your money when you want use for budget. Don't say thank you. You just You dey see somebody where they remove put Oshomole, you dey see who you bring on? Akpabio Promas. Akpabio read money. Now I confused. Now I say this money is too much. Oh. This one say
this one is confusing me. It's confusing me.
People were supposed to do agbero work along. And they just no, na call put for post. Okay. APC waiting Nigeria do now. Okay. Senate President Odoyo. Edo State Governor Madiga. Bukari. Yeah. To come money. Only you want to write budget to. Now you know if you pronounce what you write here. That means no Shomole ever write this thing now. And no Shomole never realize you say, oh boy, I like this. So now if you sorry they day money, then billions they end money. No Kobo, no Naira, no thousand. Governor. When they tell me so you not go school, I'm saying I play. Listen, I'm waiting. This is a disgrace. Nigeria is not made they go front, they go back. See governor of a full state. We get how many million people? And those state population will get 4.something million. You say, they not fit bring person will get brain. They go bring governor, we not fit pronounce budget. What you want to 2025. And some of them say anybody can make the mistake. Not that anybody can make the mistake. If not so, the teacher where they teach you will make the mistake. That's why I say you want to lead people over 4.something million people. Your brain supposed spark. Exactly. Your brain supposed they way. When they tell me say the guy no do your sister person a lie until I can see and even sorry they money and billions they end Nigerian money. No thousand, no naira, no 100. I don't see those suffer. I'm not going. Those suffer. Back bijoué, back bera. Aïe, on a les dans les bijoux. Aïe. Ola Coco. You not come display your governor's speech for House of Representatives. You not come display your governor's shame and disgrace for House of Representatives. Ibizugbe onto say ina where you might not tina where the governor will disgrace one and so as of us God about ina where onto say you know how you say your governor not go shit for church. You never hear he hear joy, mama joy. You never hear all of that wife. Say when a governor go shit for church, I never hear her. When I never hear her. Omila. You never hear say your governor don't shit for church. You never hear say don't shit for church. Make her they call my name one after. Anita Chamber of Ogi. You never hear. Pastor, fake pastor of politician. You never hear. Why my home? The fake pastor? Yama. Who consider the King of Bass? You never hear. You never call it. You never come talk for this video. All of them do like so never hear. Me be saying now Oshomole or that guy Aswen or Basek in this kind of thing happen to. All I call it go me off you are the other. I will go make a call. Make the call. Hello.
Hello.
I must greet you. I did that video.
Oh no, voila. I say this governor now, how this man can become a senator in the first place?
I don't know.
You understand? You see how these things won't happen so not too much they blame all these our leaders so. No blame them. Blame the youth. You know what I mean? Blame the youth.
Yes.
You will see now, almost 70 to 80% youth they support this man are all here in Europe.
Yes, no.
So.
Yes, no.
Sunday, Italy, and we all the Europe. We know how youth they run their elections for Europe. And it's so shameful, say man, our people with the Europe here, we know how elections is being conducted here in Europe.
Yes.
We see they support bad leadership back home in Nigeria. It's a shameful thing. My brother, for me, I want to blame those politicians. So I blame the youth. And the youth now, we supposed to take action. They don't use confra to spoil the youth.
God bless you.
Did you understand? As so these same politicians now then they sponsor confra. So that the youth no get mind, they come together and march against them. You feel me?
They're going to fight themselves.
And not to, you understand, they fight themselves. So just blame the youth. I only not until youth for that state don't they pick food for dustbin. They know where we get their sense. It's just a shameful thing. Most youth for that state now just to the worship politicians. They worship, they do hype men, clear road at the expense of their future. Blame the youth. I don't blame those politicians. Now the youth are the blame. Because those so-called politicians now, their children are here in Europe studying. And no politician will allow their children, they walk out street to street, say they won't try to vote one politician or the other. They don't agree. Now the youth are the blame. I don't blame those leaders. Now the youth, blame the youth. I rest my case.
Thank you. What? It's all good. I've already said my own side of my stories, and you all know Our Excellency Governor Monday Okpebolo, the city governor of Edo State, who does not know how to read and write. Sir, if I will give you my advice, if only you would take my advice, please kindly go to adult school, because this is a very big shame and disgrace. If you don't fix this problem now, we are still going to encounter the same problem in future, because you will still go to more places, more offices, more companies, more organizations, more countries, whereby you will speak, you will address the public, or rather, you will also sign some documents. At the time you can't read and write, you can sign your life document. You can even sign to sell off Edo State. You understand? So you need to learn how to read that so that you don't go and sign wrong documents. You understand? So you try to be wearing eyeglass that is very transparent. You understand? So you can be seeing what is written there boldly. You understand? And if you don't zoom eyeglass video around them so that the alphabet will be big. In case of next time. And when you are reading, just relax yourself. Count your words. Don't rush. Read diligently. The one you can read it. The one you cannot read, leave it for God. Don't go and apply yourself because of a election governor seat. You understand? Nothing worth dying for. Okay, you wait talk. Just take it like that. You could have even called Dennis. I bet Dennis don't want to read. If you call Dennis, may help you. When you know see this kind of place, you know he follow up. You send representative normally codedly. They know call you. So you say I'm not feeling fine. You just do like Bobrisky. You say you're not feeling fine. Your same person go stand for you. You know.